Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and in my opinion, these BFZ dining room chairs are the most comfortable dining room chairs ever. Not only that, they are super gorgeous to boot. The construction of these chairs are based around a really solid foundation. All of the components are built around really strong metal framing. They were very quick and easy to put together, and once they felt like something really high quality. I have no doubt that we will have these chairs for a very long time. These chairs are off the charts comfortable to sit in. The seat cushion has the perfect amount of thickness, and I also think that the density is just right. The chairs come with really plush and supportive lumbar cushions, and the backrest is also padded. I love how the metal framing of these chairs kind of wraps around you in a semicircle, and the woven fabric weaved in between the metal framing not only makes for a really interesting aesthetic detail, but it also adds to the coziness of the chairs. I'm a huge fan of the beige color of these chairs. I find them to really lean more towards being cool toned. They're almost like a gray color. I think that they are a perfect neutral and they go so well in my dining area. We find them great for sitting in for long periods of time. If we have an extended game night with family and friends, I know that we will not get tired of sitting in these chairs. My husband and I love everything about these BFZ dining chairs, and that's my point of view.